Hello and welcome to the Vishnu Code Academy. This is Pooja from Vishnu Code Academy and I have got a new project for you. Today we are going to create a scrolling background like we see in all the animations, videos and cartoons. There is a scrolling background and the character keeps moving forward. And in games too, we have seen this feature. So today we are going to create this amazing thing on Scratch all by ourselves. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own scrolling background, add characters to it, and you will be able to make changes to the background, add many more things, and create a very exciting animation. So let's see how it is going to work. So as you can see, the background is completely changing again and again, and the sprite, that is our character, the person is standing still, but the background is moving. So this is what we are going to create now. So let's get started. We do not require the sprite of the cat, so let's remove it. Every walking is good since we want a character which should look like it is walking. Since the background would be scrolling, the character should be also walking. And now for the backdrop, we need to create a sprite. So we can go to paint a sprite and create it. For the lower portion, we can create the green grass. And for the upper portion, we can create blue sky. This is fine. I wanted a rock-like feature, so I've created this black colored stone-like thing. You can change the colors as you wish. You can even add many more things if you want. Like you can add some plants or any other animal, any other additional features you want in this. But this looks fine for me. So yeah, the placement of the boxes is not proper. Now it looks better. Now I want this sprite, this background to keep scrolling. So first of all, I'm selecting my green flag block And then I can see the location of this sprite. My Avery is not visible right now. Since I've created two sprites, my Avery has got hidden behind this background. So first thing I can do is get back my Avery to the front. So to this background, I will add this block and change this to back. Now I can see my Avery. Since the background has gone to the back and Avery has come to the front. Now with the help of Avery, I want to know the location of X and Y values. This is showing up to be somewhere near to X and Y as 0. This is X value is plus 229. So we can suppose the stage range to be from minus 229 to plus 229. So initially we want the background to start from the middle position. Suppose X and Y to be 0, 0. Y can remain constant. So Y2 is also good. Now I want my background to scroll and it should move in this direction. So X should move in the negative direction. So taking a forever block, I want to decrease my X value. So here I can select change X by a negative value, suppose minus 5, because I want the background to move towards the left direction. Now let's see how it's working. It's working fine. But after the right end of the stage touches this left end border, it stops. So we can do one thing, that after the right end touches the left end, it should start again. So going to the control section, I'll pick a if block. And check for X value. This border of X is in between minus 2 is minus 228. So if the X value is less than minus 228, then I wanted to start from the right end again, that is plus 2080. 228. So let me make this go to block over here. Start from 228. And y, let it be the same, 2. Now let's see how it's working. Now it's working continuously, but now a section of the stage is going blank. To fill up that section, we will create a similar sprite. We can just click over here and click on duplicate. So we have got a duplicate sprite. And the code is even copied over here. But to see the difference, we can create a color change. So we can make this change color effect by 25 and make the second sprite start from the right end. The first sprite had started from the middle and touched the left end, and the second sprite, that is the second background, would start from the right end so that it covers up the difference and we can see a continuous flow. So let us make this to 218. 228, sorry. Now let's see how it is working. Yeah, we can see a continuous scrolling background with Avery standing still, but it is looking as if Avery is walking since the pose of Avery is like that. So we have successfully done a project and created Avery walking. So if you like the video, please like it, comment all your doubts and queries, share it with all your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and also press on the bell icon for future updates and notifications. Thank you.